All right, people, Burrard Street walk. Gonna walk from the foot of the Burrard Street Bridge here all the way down towards Waterfront Station, where I'm gonna get on the C bus and go for another ride with Tom. Let's get ready to rock and roll. All right, here we go, baby. Finally getting around to finish up my Burrard Street walk. Real technical difficulties last time. Starting at the Burrard Bridge, gonna walk you down to the SkyTrain station. Let's go. This will be the last sunny day for a while, so we're gonna make the most of it. I was running out of gas. I just did the old sea walk to the opposite side of Davidland Park, Science World down to Granville Island, so that was quite a treat. Check that one out. Now I gotta remember what I said last time. Instant replay down Burrard. What I did say was, man, I've been down this street as much as probably Granville. Used to live over in Kitsilano on the other side of the bridge. My doctor's office coming up here. I was there like monthly, and then I moved to the suburbs, and I still had to come down here for like 15 years to see the doctor once or twice a month. So whether I wanted to or not, I was on Burrard. That ends up over there in Kits, up on the hill. Basically got a bit of everything. Office, retail, restaurants, coffee. Big old St. Paul's Hospital here. Tons of medical buildings. It leads you all the way down to the waterfront. Definitely a stroll worth taking a look. Crossing Davie Street here. Yeah, sunny Thursday, baby. Good stuff. I've been to St. Paul's for some treatments, scans. Man, I've almost done a hospital tour of this town too. I don't know what your town's like, but there's a lot of bad drivers in Vancouver. I've never had a car, and I know I'm a better driver than half of these people. It's scary being a pedestrian sometimes. Yeah, right up in there. Most chronologically messed up doctor you could ever have. I mean, in like 10, 15 years, the guy was never on time. A homeless fight going on. You never know what you're going to walk up on. I guess if you're feeling rough, it's not a bad spot to hang out at in case something happens to you. That makes sense. You can always stagger into emergency. wall center. Yeah, old staring around up the wall center. That's what I was saying last time. I used to have a competition to see how fast you could get up to the top. A heart attack challenge. In my younger days, in my 150-pound days, I would have done a good job, but not now, baby. Oh yeah, Century Plaza. Used to have quite the nightclub downstairs. I had a girl make the move on me. Well, she was on a date with some other guy. She was hot too. I guess she found Tommy D a little more exciting looking. It didn't work out, but man, that's a hottie. Yeah, out there, Kara, I miss you, baby. You got a couple of liberal churches here. The old Long AWOL United Church and the Baptist Church right across the street. I used to belong. I started out there at one out in New Westminster, but man, they got liberal and AWOL right away. I had to abandon ship. Nice building though. YMCA coming up, never worked out there. It's one of the few gyms I haven't been into. Just was never around, living around it. Although I had to come downtown and work out because my gym shut down for 10 days. Because of you know what? Freaking scam. Don't buy it, guys. That'll take it down towards English Bay. All roads lead to the water. Got another babe here. Babe cam. She's walking fast as Tommy boy. Ain't gonna catch her unless I hit a light. Just got a smile from another fox. Goodness. It's a good day. Ah. Crossing Old Robson Street, man. Rodeo Drive Jr. That heads down to Granville. Ends up at BC Place. That's one of my first walks. Check that out, guys. Give it some likes. Help me out, I'm dying. Hotel Vancouver, Fairmont. My brother worked there back in the 80s. He had the chance to chat up old Robin Givens. And she was married to Mike Tyson. It was quite the days. He used to make a monster load of tips. My brother could basically walk in and get a job anywhere. Unlike me, to beg these slave drivers. Not the Jaguar. Oh yeah, Tiffany's. Big store. I should wander in there and see what they got. See if I get kicked out. Kicking out walk with Tom because he doesn't got enough cash. Oh, there's another liberal church, man. Nothing but downtown. Lots of pagans downtown, man. It's pagan's paradise. The deeper into the core you go, the more there are. It's very hard to find fellow conservatives. So West Georgia here. That's the one where I stopped at White Spot for a snack. That was a good walk too. Started down at Stanley Park. Old Park Place Tower. That was a securities messenger in there. That's where I got certified legally to sell stocks and bonds, securities man. Where I quickly got fired for something I didn't do. At least I got my course certification. I was too chicken to be a broker though. But I got a better job at Revenue Canada because of those goofs. There's a little mini mall in there. There's a food court downstairs. Oh, Bentall Center, there's a couple actually. It's a big underground network between the towers. Been to the Starbucks. Everybody's just fascinated with the old steady cam. I've done a lot of street sweeping in my day too. A decade or two as a janitor. Some of these girls, man, walking around like the queen of the world. You don't know what you're missing. All right, I'm gonna end it here today, guys. I'm cooked. Yeah, down there, you keep going down, you wind up at Waterfront. You see a bit of it from here. It's just more of the same, the old office towers, a couple of coffee shops. Then you're right at Canada Place. So I'm gonna end it there, guys. End up with a shot of the old hotel, gorgeous old building. Thanks for taking a short walk down Burrard with me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, baby. I appreciate it. Helps the algorithm. Next walk coming soon.